Hi guys, here's the screencast for Wednesday the 9th in creative writing. Today we worked through a number of different kind of activities. We started by just reading out of Bird by Bird a little bit about um, what it means to write descriptively, and the phrase that Anne Lamott really goes back to is that you need to have like a reverence or kind of a wonder about the world around you. What we were really talking about today was just trying to perceive through our five senses various experiences, I guess. And so we practiced with that today. We started with a prompt. That's the next one in your journal prompt responses to do with a childhood memory. It can be any type of childhood memory that you want to write about. It doesn't have to be a plot piece, but generally these do have the elements of plot in them. We then did an activity here that involved senses, activating the senses. There's no real way to make this document up, and I think most all of you are here today, so I was just describing the various senses and various images that you would see or hear or taste or touch or whatnot. And so we worked through that most of the class period. At the end of class, we had another prompt that was entitled Cemetery, or Walk Through a Cemetery. So that's what we were on about today. I'm sorry if you weren't able to join us. Hope you have a great rest of the day.